Hi, and welcome to 4678 and 4680 Del Monte Avenue in beautiful Ocean Beach, San Diego. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This stunning 2-unit property has been lovingly cared for over the years and has now recently been renovated. It features 2 large houses on a very large ocean view lot in Upper Ocean Beach. Both houses have updated kitchens, baths, flooring, fixtures, fresh paint, private laundry hookups, and tons of off-street parking. The front house is an unheard of 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath with ocean, bay, and nightlight views. The back house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath built in the 60s with ocean, bay, and nightlight views. It has vaulted wood beam ceilings, a brand new kitchen, and huge bedrooms. Both houses have private outdoor spaces, and there is a ton of flexibility here. Do you have an extended family? Would you like to split the lot and keep one house? Add an ADU? All of those are options here. The best part? This property has been filled with love and has been in the same Ocean Beach family for over 65 years. Just blocks to restaurant, nightlife, the beach, and the pier, but out of the hustle and the bustle. This one is just a wow. Call me today to make your dream a reality.